The 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe is a modern reinterpretation of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, blending its timeless elegance with contemporary technology and performance. The exterior design is a masterpiece of sophistication, with flowing lines, a signature sloping roof, and a distinctive front grille. The LED headlights are seamlessly integrated, paying homage to the original's famous gaze. The aerodynamic silhouette is complemented by futuristic alloy wheels and a sleek rear profile, giving the DS21 Coupe an unmistakable presence on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes French luxury. The interior combines premium materials like fine leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood accents, creating an atmosphere of modern elegance. The seats are plush and ergonomically designed, ensuring long-distance comfort. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large, curved digital display that seamlessly blends a digital gauge cluster with an advanced infotainment system. It offers connectivity features such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with voice control. Ambient lighting and a premium sound system enhance the sense of refinement, while unique design touches like a retro-inspired steering wheel remind you of the car's heritage. Under the hood, the 2025 DS21 Coupe offers an all-electric powertrain that delivers 400 horsepower and an impressive range of 350 miles on a single charge. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, with the Coupe achieving 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds. Equipped with advanced suspension technology, the ride is as smooth as the original DS, making it one of the most comfortable EVs in its class. Regenerative braking and multiple driving modes further enhance efficiency and driving dynamics, ensuring a balance of performance and sustainability. Starting at approximately $80,000, the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe is positioned as a luxury electric vehicle for discerning drivers who appreciate design, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. With its blend of historical charm and modern innovation, the DS21 Coupe is a statement of elegance that stands out in the EV market.